the Lotus Inn. 2 queen size? Looks like queen size beds. Nice. A little TV here. Hangers. A dresser. And then
Ironing board.
very nice. A kitchen. Nice big fridge, sink, microwave. I'm sure there are plates and things. Little dining area. Desk area. Nice couch. There's also, which is cool, between, it's like a sliding door between the two, so you can have a little privacy, I guess, when you're sleeping. Another TV. Nice balcony, which you can see the ocean. I see bright.
There's a bride.
Yeah, I see something in white.
Yeah, let's see if we can zoom in.
Well kept. Everything seems clean. You went through? Right, so part of the package, and I think it was like, I want to say 414, 420, something like that, for 2 nights accommodations, 2 breakfasts, dance party. So there's tickets to the dance party tonight, and then tomorrow tickets to the concert, the 50s, 60s. I forget who's there. Tonight's the cameos. Tomorrow's, I think, a couple of different people.
Letterman, Frankie Avalon, and Shirelles.
2 dinner coupons and 4 breakfast coupons. And I think breakfast you have like 2 choices, dinner you have like 3 choices. So, seems like a good deal. Looks good.
Yep, and there's a car show and some kind of marketplace by the convention center.
Yep.
Everything seems to be centered right there.
Yep.
Cool.
One of the breakfasts is just across the street, which is nice. So, customized package.
Nice. Let's do it every year.
Well, people do come back every year. We met someone that comes here every year for this. So.